Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today's question: represent the function f of x is equal to k by a Fourier sine series in the interval 0 is less than x is less than pi. Okay, this is a Fourier half range series. Okay, so first write solution, then first write is telling what to find by a Fourier sine series. Okay, so find, so for first write the half range, the half range range sine series is f of x is equal to, say, summation n is equal to 1 infinity bn sine nx. Okay, this is a general equation, so take the first equation 1. So what you have to find first? Bn. Okay, bn we have to find. So bn formula, Bn is equal to 2 by pi integrate. Yeah, what the limits is given? 0 to pi. Okay, so 0 to pi f of x into sine nx. Okay, is equal to, implies 2 by pi integrate 0 to pi. Now what is f of x given? K. K is what? Constant. K into sine and x. So I'll take k order to become 2k by pi integrate 0 to pi sine and x. Okay, now integrate. Now it is in the form of sine ax form. Okay, integrate sine ax is equal to minus cos ax by a. Okay, in the form, so it become 2k pi, open a square bracket, then become minus cos nx by n, close the bracket. Now limit 0 to pi. Now take minus outside and n outside, so it become minus 2k by n pi cos nx. Okay, now apply the, how we apply the limits? How we apply limits? fb minus fb. Okay, I'm writing step, don't write this step in the exam. Okay, minus is what is upper limit? B is pi and a is what? 0. Now what you will do? Now substitute in the place of nx, sorry, nx here, I written pi here. Now apply the limits here, so it become minus 2k n pi, open the square bracket, cos n pi, then minus cos n into 0. Now close the bracket. So it become minus 2k n pi. The bracket. Now always remember cos n pi value. Okay, it is given, is the identity. Cos n pi is equal to under bracket minus 1 power whole power n. Okay, and cos n into 0. Cos 0, cos n into 0 become 1. Okay, so it become minus 1 power n into minus 1. Okay, now I am sending this minus to here, here plus is there. Okay, so minus into plus will become minus, then minus into will become plus. So our bn value is equal to 2k n pi 1 minus into minus 1 power n. I'm not open this bracket here plus there, that's why minus into plus become minus. I take a minus first order, outside the minus into minus become plus, so plus 1 I'm taking here outside. Okay, this minus here. Okay, now we found out our bn value. Okay, always remember when we get power n value, we have to check the odd and even functions. Okay, how we check odd and even function is when n is equal to 0, when no, not 0, when n is odd numbers is of 1 3 5. Okay, when n is odd, or bn is equal to, now what is bn? 2k by n pi 1 minus minus 1. Instead of n we have to substitute power 1. So okay, so what it become here? Power 1, so uh, it become 2k n pi minus 1 power 1 become 1, and 1 become 1, minus into minus become plus, so 1 plus 1, so it become 2k n pi into 2. So our bn, so bn when is or it is odd, okay, odd is equal to 4k n pi, okay, when it is odd, okay, always remember bn and is odd. Now even, now we have to check the for even also. So even, how we find out for even is when n is right here, when n is even. Now what is our bn value we got by doing this simple formula by 2k by n pi, 2k n pi, open the square bracket, 1 minus 1 minus into under bracket minus 1 power, instead of 10 what will substitute even value, what even value in from where it starts by 2, so square, okay, so it become 2k n pi. Now 1 minus 1 square become 1, so minus into minus become plus, so it become 1, okay, minus 1 square become 1, so 1 minus 1, so it whole term will become this 0, okay. Now you have to write the general equation. Now you have to substitute the value of bn, which we found out by this when n is odd, okay, from equation 1. So right here, this from equation 1, right, from equation 1, so f of x is equal to summation n is equal to 1 infinity bn sine nx, okay. Now it becomes summation n is equal to 1 infinity. Now bn value, what bn value got when n is odd, okay, 4k by n pi, okay, so it become 4k by n pi, then sine nx, okay. Now what we will do here, we will take 4k pi outside, 4k by pi outside, okay, 4k by pi square bracket summation n is equal to 1 infinity 1 by n sine nx. Now we have to remove this summation, okay, I have to remove this summation. How we remove this summation? By say substituting the odd values, like odd values of 1, 3, 5, 7 till how much we'll see. So it become 4k pi, then open the bracket, instead of 1, now instead of n you have to substitute the order. So 1 by 1 sine 1x plus, then 1 by 3 sine 3x plus 1 by 5 sine 5x till infinity, okay. So this is our answer, okay. Now check this, this is the solution of this question. This is a Fourier half range series, okay, this is the new unit I've started, okay. So see, this is the procedure. First this equation, then bn value. So when you got power n, then you have to check odd and even value, okay, odd, then even, when we do even, here we got 0, so take only odd here, okay, so it become, now in equation we have to substitute it. Now we have to remove this summation. So summation means why we take odd value, why I'm taking odd values here, we got odd value as 4k by n pi, okay. So this is the procedure, okay. Thanks for watching.